Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This session is for Sanskritam. Ashtama Vargaha, Ruchira Tritiyo Bhagaha, Chatuttaha Pataha, Sadaiva Purato Nidhehi Charanam. This is chapter 4, Sadaiva Purato Nidhehi Charanam, and the author of this poem is Sridhar Bhaskar Varnekar. Dr. Sridhar Bhaskar Varnekar was a Sanskrit scholar born in Nagpur on 31st July 1918. He wrote many Sanskrit poems and verses, most famous among them being Sri Shivarajyodhyam. This Mahakavya is prescribed by Union Public Service Commission of India in the syllabus of Sanskrit literature paper kept for civil service examination. This work, which won the Sahitya Academy Award for Sanskrit in 1974, is an epic poem in 68 cantos on the life and work of Shivaji. Dr. Varnekar won a number of literary awards including President's Award, Kalidasa Puraskar, Birla Foundation Saraswati Sammana, etc. He was invited by the State University of New York at New Paltz, USA to address a Sanskrit seminar. The title of Prajna Bharati was conferred on him by Jagadguru Sri Shankaracharya. Moving to the chapter, motivation is one of the most important factors in determining the level of success that we'll achieve. Motivation is required throughout the entire goal process, and through this poem, author has motivated us to move forward towards the success, irrespective of the unfavorable circumstances. I will move to the content of the chapter. I'll read the first stanza. Chala chala purato nidhehi charanam, sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam, girishikare nanu nijaniketanam, vinaiva yanam nagarohanam, balam swakiyam bhavati sadhanam, sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. I'll repeat. Chala chala purato nidhehi charanam, sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam, girishikare nanu nijaniketanam, vinaiva yanam nagarohanam. Balam swakiyam bhavati sadhanam, sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Now we'll see the Padaparichayaha and Shabdataha together. Chala, chal dhatoho lot lakaraha madhyama purushaha ekavachanam. Chala means move or walk. Purataha is avyaya padam, means forward. Nidhehi ni upasarga purvakasya dha dhatoho lot lakaraha madhyama purushaha ekavachanam. Nidhehi means keep. Charanam akarantaha pullingaha charana shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Charanam means step. Sadaiva, sada plus eva sadaiva, here vriddhi sandhi is taken place. Sadaiva is avyaya padam, means always. Nanu is avyaya padam, means certainly. Giri shikhare, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha giri shikara shabdaha saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Giri shikare means in the peak or summit of mountain. Nijaniketanam, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha nijaniketana shabdaha prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Nijaniketanam means own house or residence. Vinaiva, vina plus eva vinaiva, here vriddhi sandhi is taken place. Vinaiva is a avyaya padam, means without. Vinaiva is a avyaya padam, means without. Yanam, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha yana shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Yanam means vehicle. Nagarohanam, naga plus arohanam, nagarohanam. Here savana dirgha sandhi is carried out. Nagarohanam, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha nagarohana shabdaha nagarohanam prathama vibhakti ekavachanam, means hill trekking. Balam, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha bala shabdaha prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Balam means strength. Swakiyam, akarantaha napumsaka lingaha swakiya shabdaha प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम स्वकीयम मीन्स one's own. भवति भूधातोः लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं भवति मीन्स become. साधनम् अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः साधनशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं साधनं means tool or device. Since we have seen the Shabdarthaha, now we'll proceed with the meaning of the stanza. Chala chala purato nidhehi charanam. Chala means move. Purato forward. Nidhehi keep. Charanam step. Go ahead, keep your step forward. Sadaiva always. Purato forward. Nidhehi keep. Charanam step. Always keep your step forward. Go ahead or move ahead. Keep your step forward. Always keep your step forward. Girishikare. On the peak of the mountain. Nanu. Certainly. Nijaniketanam. Own house. One's own house. Vinaiva. Without. Yanam. Vehicle. Nagarohanam. Hill trekking. Since our house is on the peak of the mountain, we have to trek the hill without vehicle. Balam swakiyam, balam strength, swakiyam one's own. Bhavati become, sadhanam tool or device. Balam swakiyam bhavati sadhanam. Our strength is the only tool or device here. Our strength is the only tool or device here. Sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Always keep your step forward. I will read the meaning of the stanza. Go ahead, keep your step forward, always keep your step forward. Since our house is on the peak of the mountain, we have to trek the hill without vehicle. And our strength is the only tool or device here. Always keep your step forward. Now we'll move to the second stanza. Pathipashanaha vishamaha prakharaha himsraha pashavaha parito ghoraha sudushkaram khalu yadyapi gamanam sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. I'll repeat. Pathipashanaha vishamaha prakharaha himsraha pashavaha parito ghoraha sudushkaram khalu yadyapi gamanam sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Now we'll move to the Shabdarthaha. Pathi. Nakarantaha pullingaha patenna shabdaha. Saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Pathi means on the way. Pashanaha. Akarantaha pullingaha pashana shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Pashanaha means stones. Vishamaha. Akarantaha pullingaha vishama shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam vishamaha means uneven or hard. Prakharaha. Akarantaha pullingaha prakhara shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam prakharaha means sharp. Himsraha. Akarantaha pullingaha himsra shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam himsraha means savage. Pashavaha. Ukarantaha pullingaha pashu shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam pashavaha means animals. Paritaha. Paritaha is avyaya padam, around or from all sides. Ghoraha. Akarantaha pullingaha ghora shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam ghoraha means terrible. Sudushkaram. Akarantaha napumsakalingaha. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam sudushkaram means tough. Khalu. Khalu is an avyayam means certainly or isn't it. Yadyapi, yadi plus api, yadyapi is avyaya padam, means even though. Gamanam, अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः गमनशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं गमनं means travel. I will proceed with the meaning of the second stanza. Pathi, on the way, Pashanaha, stones, Vishamaha, hard, Prakharaha, sharp, Himsraha, savage, Pashavaha, animals, Paritaha, from all sides, Ghoraha, terrible. On the way there will be hard and sharp stones, savage and terrible animals around the path. Sudushkaram, difficult or tough. Khalu, isn't it? Yadyapi, even though. Gamanam, travel. It is very tough to continue, isn't it? Even though we have to proceed. Sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Always keep your step forward. I will move to the third stanza. Jahihi bhitim bhaja bhaja shaktim vidhehi rashtre tathanuraktim kuru kuru satatam dheya smaranam sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. I'll repeat. Jahihi bhitim bhaja bhaja shaktim vidhehi rashtre tathanuraktim kuru kuru satatam dheya smaranam sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Now we will continue with the Shabdataha as well as Padaparichayaha. Jahihi, Han dhatoho lot lakaraha madhyama purushaha ekavachanam jahihi means give up or leave. Bhitim, ikarantaha srilingaha bhiti shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam bhitim means fear. Bhaja bhaja, भज धातोः लोट लकारः मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनं भज मीन्स चैंट. भज भज कीप चैंटिंग. शक्तिम, इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शक्ति शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं शक्तिम मीन्स पार. विधेहि, वि उपसर्गपूर्वकस्य धा धातोः लोट लकारः मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनं विधेहि मीन्स डू. राष्ट्रे, अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः राष्ट्रशब्दः अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः राष्ट्रशब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं राष्ट्रे in country. तथा is a अव्ययपदम means in the same manner. अनुरक्तिम, इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः अनुरक्ति शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं अनुरक्तिम लव. कुरु, कृ धातोः लोट लकारः मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनं कुरु मीन्स डू. सततम इज अव्यय पदम मीन्स ऑलवेज. ध्येयस्मरणम, अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः ध्येयस्मरण शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं ध्येयस्मरणम मीन्स फोकसिंग ऑन गोल, concentrating on a goal. Jahihi, give up or leave. Bhitim, fear. Bhaja, chant. Bhaja bhaja, keep chanting. Shaktim, for power. Vidhehi, do. Rashtre, country. In country. Rashtre, in country. Tatha, in the same manner. Anuraktim, love. Leave the fear, keep chanting for power. Kuru, do. Satatam, always. Dhyeyasmaranam, focusing on aim or concentrating on aim. Always concentrate on your aim. Sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam, always keep your step forward. Jahihi bhitim bhaja bhaja shaktim vidhehi rashtre tathanuraktim కురు కురు సతతం ధ్యేయ స్మరణం సదైవ పురతో నిధేహి చరణం. Leave the fear, keep chanting for power, love our country, always concentrate on your aim, always keep your step forward. With this we have completed our lesson. Dhanyavadaha.